Samantha Motet tested positive for COVID-19 in March. 2 weeks later, she appeared near death in an intensive care unit.
I had moments of, gosh, 55 years went by so fast. I'm not going to see my children again. I'm not going to see my parents, my future grandchildren.
As a liver transplant recipient, Samantha was considered high risk for complications.
I had an overwhelming support from my friends and family praying for me. They were all praying for a miracle that I would survive this.
Her doctor tried a number of experimental drugs without success.
She certainly had not improved. So she had been on the ventilator for several days already, and her condition was still critical and not improving at that point. So I thought that we didn't have much to lose.
Then he injected her with Leronlimab, a drug originally developed to treat HIV.
About a day or 2 days later, the amount of oxygen she required on the ventilator started to go down. So the amount of oxygen being exchanged in her lungs started to improve. And then a couple more days later, she was actually able to get off the ventilator.
And then what happened to her?
Then she went home.
It was my last hope. And if it were not for that drug, I truly would not be here today.
Dr. Yang has also given Leronlimab to several other patients.
Yes.
How'd they do?
It's been a mixture, and many of them have improved. Not everyone.
Leronlimab is a monoclonal antibody designed to calm the often deadly cytokine storm, an extreme immune system overreaction.
If we can stop the death, this is just the flu. It won't do anything. The whole country can be reopened and everybody's going to be safe if this works the way we think.
The FDA designated Leronlimab as an emergency investigational new drug.
That requires the physician personally to contact the FDA, produce certain types of information, and get approval. So it's fairly time-consuming, and it's a barrier to giving it.
People are dying right now. They're asking us for drug, and when we send it to them a couple of occasions, they got the drug and they were dead already.
Cytidine, the drug's manufacturer, is requesting the FDA upgrade Leronlimab to compassionate use status. Studies testing Leronlimab on patients with mild and more severe cases like Samantha's are also underway.
Every morning since I've been home, the first thing I do when I open my eyes, I look up, I put my hands together, and I thank God for giving me another day. And I go to bed at night thanking Him.
Lori Johnson, CBN News.